2022 has been a very successful year for the Providence Stormwater Innovation Center, both financially and with the programs and partnerships that we have been able to develop with this initiative. Since the inception of the Innovation Center, we have been able to bring in nearly $900,000 in funding through multiple federal grants and our partnership with the Rhode Island Department of Transportation. A lot of this funding came through in 2022, which allowed us to hire our second full-time staff person. We hired Rebecca Reeves, and she will be focusing on a lot of public outreach and engagement and education efforts. Our monitoring and research programs in 2022 have been very eye-opening to a lot of the stormwater professionals in the community. The results of our assessments are changing the way that engineers are designing green infrastructure, the way that contractors are implementing green infrastructure projects, and the way the municipalities are planning for long-term maintenance of these green infrastructure systems. Our research, as well as the work and efforts of other stormwater professionals, are shared at many trainings, and both virtual and in person at Roger Williams Park throughout the year. We also continued our public outreach efforts in 2022. We had our third annual Rain Harvest Arts Festival, which is a festival held in Roger Williams Park that highlights all of the work being done there. We have artists, we have musicians, we have storytellers. We also bring in a slew of environmental educators to do demonstrations about projects that they are working on also around the state. We also had our third successful year working on our storm drain mural project. That is working with Audubon educators and teaching artists to bring stormwater and green infrastructure curriculum into classrooms around Providence. And these students take that information and then work with a teaching artist afterwards to design this beautiful storm drain mural that goes out into the community that lets people know what they should and shouldn't put down a storm drain. Looking forward to 2023, we want to continue working on our existing programs and develop new ones that are collaborative and are in line with the mission of the Audubon Society of Rhode Island's mission, and that is to improve water quality and associated habitat, as well as prepare communities and towns within Rhode Island to be more prepared for some of the negative impacts associated with climate change.